Just finished the install, but I had it working before I had it put it in, so it was working great. I love this thing. It's gonna pull the air out of here real nice, as far as I can tell. And I got another little solar fan here to bring some air in, and that to take the air out. There's where I installed the solar panel, right behind. Should work great. Loving it so far. 5 stars.
Working good for me. Took the little side door off the panel. And gotcha. You see the sun is, it's finna storm. It's finna storm. And it still has a little, it looks like it's going slow, but it's spinning fast. I don't know why. It looks like it's slowing it down, but it's going pretty good. They like it. So I give it an A+. I'll give it, because it's just doing its job. Got it on the back right here, and it's done its job since I had it. I got it blown in, so no problem.
Centimetri di diametro. Adesso sta funzionando a batteria e poi c'è funzionamento a pannello.